What's up, folks? This the Savage Scientist here, setting up my little Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I promise you, I'm damn pissed off, tired of everybody keep coming with their little AI shit, Apple AI, Google AI, Gemini, and all this stuff, and they charging you for Gemini. According to a lot of the other YouTube channels, I don't use the shit. I use ChatGPT if I need to, but I don't even use ChatGPT too much. AI, overrated. I don't need it. Hey Google, I don't need this. Oh, and now, look at that shit. Now it's done picked up, blow my dome off with a Chrome 17 round automatic 500 shell rifle. No, go back, bastard. You see this? This is the shit I hate. I'm trying to set my shit up, and now all this bullshit popping up. Stay your bitch ass off. I just wish I would have kept my mouth closed. I would have been almost done with this. And now this bullshit here. Galaxy AI, I don't need it. I don't need all this shit. If I want to use the shit, hold on. I thought Bixby was dead. 187 already. Now, the Bixby button used to be damn good. I used to use the Bixby button to remap phone. I used to remap the Bixby button so I could end phone calls. Now they took the shit away. They need to be getting rid of Bixby instead of the damn button. And Apple just put a damn nice camera control button on the side that you could do all kind of shit with. A lot of remapping possibilities. And they put a damn button up here on the front. The action auxiliary button up there. But no, Samsung took they taking more buttons off the goddamn phones. I don't need Bixby. I hate Bixby. You shit. Mo, I'm gonna agree to all this. I just want to start using the goddamn phone. Got that dark theme. That dark theme ain't no joke. And let's go to home. So I want to see if if I could use air stuff. Let's see. So I'm testing my S22 pen. Well, it's doing stuff well, I know it worked. Look at that. It's working. It's flipping and shit. So that's okay. So you can see me in my nappy head with my S22 right here. So I'm gonna have to see if I could pair this S Pen to the phone. I mean, it fits. Turn it off. See if screen memo gonna pop up. Oh no, but no, shit. No, it don't fit. So if you got a older S Pen, they changed it just enough so the son of a bitch don't fit. So only the S25 S Pen works with the S25. S24, S23, ... This S Pen that been around ever since the damn Note 5 would not work or would not fit in the S25. I probably said that all wrong. So let me rephrase that. The older S Pen will not fit in the S25 Ultra. See that? You're going to have a little bit of it sticking out. That's the end of this video, people. Peace.